Whistle. Whistle while you wake. Whistle to wake. Wake up and whistle. Wake up, check. Whistle, check. There's some whistling outside this morning. I can hear the birds. Whistle check. Whistle check verified. Whistle check verified. Morning, morning, morning. Good morning, rising sun. Walk, talk, chew, blab till the blabbing's done. Wakey, 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 wakey. Wake up, self. Others maybe listening or not listening. Wake up, check. Drop what you're doing. Grab your sauce. Get dressed. Get dressed. Get moving on this wonderful morning. Celebrate Easter. He's risen indeed. Continue on every day to have a good day. Quick morning wake up video call talk. Remember to sing cheerfully. Sing cheerfully. You got classic this morning. Get some classic. Got it. Get it. Got it. It's there for taking. Indeed, I need reminders at times. Growing up, I need a lot of reminders. Still need some now. Sometimes I become forgetful or plain lazy. But I get rejuvenated. Get classic. Get milk. Got milk. Wake up with some orange juice and cold water on my face. Reminders. A routine. Having a routine of not just splashing cold water on my face and help me wake up with some reading, some verbal prodding, verbal cues, prodding from myself, sometimes from my family and friends, and also from the big man upstairs. I waver without some waving supports, mentally, physically, spiritually, psychologically, what have you. Reading some good words to help keep my mind sharp. Remember to give an honest day's work, earning a living for my family and relaxing at times at night and get some rest. And if any thoughts of crying out with complaints, I remember I'm to give thanks and praise, not complaints. But they're only temporary. The pains, the body aches, to get older or recover from surgery or sickness is only temporary. It won't last forever. Eternal life will. Seeking some good words and fellowship with friends, family. Those times are uplifting at times. If somebody, complains, or if I complain, just say, be quiet. I don't want to hear that. Or is not to complain. And reason why, do or die. Do the big man upstairs. To do or die. That's pain's only temporary. Wake up. Wipe that sleep away. Wake up. Get some nourishment. If I need to get some more rest. Focus on getting 7 or 8 hours of sleep instead of 5 or 6. I got a good nap in over the weekend. Got some good rest. Dealt with some pains and verbally, physically, spiritually. But now I get bandaged up by worshiping some family and friends, singing, shout. Singing does some good, and hearing some good songs coming from the heart. Whether it be watching some stuff on YouTube or, better yet, fellowship with family and friends or church group or stuff online or in person is even better, because then you can only just hear it on the tube, on the TV or the monitor. You can see it, feel it, smell it. All the senses come out when someone's singing cheerfully. If you can't sing cheerfully, like me, I can't sing cheerfully. Sometimes I team up with somebody, sing along with them, and match their tune. Do pretty good matching other good tunes. What brings to mind is to remember to sing cheerfully is to Psalms 30, verse 4 and 5. Psalm 30, verse 4 and 5. Sing unto the Lord, O ye saints of his, and give thanks at the remembrance of his holiness. For his anger endureth but a moment, and his favor is life. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. The pain at the end of the day, get good rest. Pain's only temporary. Remember to sing and shout cheerfully from the heart. Sing with all my heart, mind, soul, strength, spirit, and love others. Keep it simple. Sing and shout his victory. Victory in him, big man upstairs, and everything I say and do is walk, talk, chew it out. We all do the same. Just push through that. get some, got some, go get some, praised up, powered up, spirited up through a good mentor. Has mentors you can look up to, some online or face to face right in front of us. May not know it. My family, friends, fellow Christians, fellow people walking it out, and look up to. I'll sign off for now. Hey, thanks for joining me this morning, Yvette. Sharing some information about remembering to sing cheerfully every day. Go to some good words. Pain's only temporary. Wake up in the morning. Do some good words, good songs. So sing and shout victory. Up in the morning, rise the sun. Gonna walk, talk, chew, blab till the blabber's done. It's Brent the Blabber, blue, blab, blue, blab, blue, blab, blue. Sign off for now. Thanks for joining this morning. Simplify always faithful, simplify never die. And thanks for joining me. Feel free to comment it, follow it. If you want to follow it, it'll let you know when I'm online. No, I'm here. Want to come online sometimes in the morning and share some testimonies and stories and sing and shout some victories? Let me know. Good technology, you can do an interview face to face or what have you, or just sit back and relax, enjoy it. Feel free to comment on it. If I say something wrong, feel free to correct me. I'm open to correction. I'll sign off for now. Thanks for joining me this morning.